This is the Song Activity Factory. Get ready.
This week's song-based lesson plan features Bruce Springsteen's Letter to You, from his 20th studio album about to be launched this month.
In this video, you'll see how to engage your students' creativity. They'll connect a song to different houses, and will collaborate to imagine the people who live in them. You'll work the 4 skills in a new and refreshing way.
For detailed instructions, PDF, answers and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description.
Step 1. 5 minutes, warm-up questions. Ask. Where do you live, in a house or in an apartment? Do you like where you live now? What do you think it's better, to live in a house or an apartment? Why?
Step 2. 7 minutes, slide 1, photos of residences. Screen share the pictures of the 3 homes. Have students describe each of them. How do they imagine the interior of the houses? How many rooms? Are they comfortable, spacious? Would they like to live in one of these places? Why or why not?
Step 3. 7 minutes, vocabulary video. Tell your students they're going to work with a new song. And there's something special about it. One person who lives in one of those houses loves this song. But before they listen to it, they're going to learn some important vocabulary words. Play the vocabulary video twice. After they watch the video, ask them some questions to practice the vocabulary.
Step 4. 7 minutes, song, first listening. Before playing the song, tell your students that their task is to imagine where the person who likes the song resides, house 1, 2, or 3. Play the song and have students write down the number of the house and think of why.
Step 6. 10 minutes, breakout rooms. Working in pairs, breakout rooms. Have students choose one house, and describe the person who lives in it with the help of the following questions. Have them write their description in a doc or notepad for the next step.
Step 7. 10 minutes, collaborative Google Doc. Share the link to the collaborative Google Doc. Have the pairs paste their descriptions under the house they chose. Have the pairs present their residence.
Step 8. 5 minutes, lyrics. Screen share the lyrics of the song and play it again. Help students with the vocabulary. Ask what they thought of the song and if the message really connects to the person and the house they chose in the previous steps.
Subscribe to our channel for useful content every week. Like and share this video, so we can help more teachers. Thank you.